let's make a super simple and delicious cranberry quinoa salad. Hey, I'm Laura, and on this channel I share a lot of family-friendly recipes, easy lunch ideas, and how to cook videos. If that's your jam, hit that red subscribe button. You and I get to cook together twice a week. I love this salad because you could cook the quinoa ahead of time, which is what I did right here, and mix it with your pecans and cranberries and have that ready to go in the fridge. So if you're making this for a party, you just have to shake up the dressing and it's ready to go. So first I'm gonna combine my quinoa with my dried cranberries and the chopped pecans. I'm gonna give this a good toss. And this right here is what you can make ahead of time and keep it ready to go in the fridge. Now you could make all of this in a large bowl and mix it up, but if you wanna make it really nice for entertaining, just take your spinach and place it on the serving platter that you're gonna use. Now while I'm using spinach right here, you could also use field greens or chopped kale as well. This is a citrus-based dressing, so I have some orange juice here. I also have some apple cider vinegar, which I'm gonna add to my orange juice. Into that, I'm gonna add some olive oil, keeping it simple with some salt and pepper. And I often make all of my dressings in a jelly jar so I can shake them up and keep them in the fridge until I need them. But another tip is to have an old dressing bottle, or I'll link this one below for you, that you can use and mix your dressing in and keep it in the fridge. And just give it a good shake. By the way, if you find tips like that one helpful, give this video a thumbs up so I know to always add them to my channel for you. Now, all you have to do is take the quinoa with cranberries and pecan and place it right on top of that spinach base that you made, just like that. Spread it all over the top. If you're making this ahead of time for a party night, you can cover this in plastic wrap and keep it in the fridge for a few hours until your guests come. Or if you're ready to serve it, take that dressing and drizzle it right over the top. Friends, 5 minutes is all it took to make a quinoa cranberry salad with an epic homemade dressing. Grab the ingredient measurements right below this video and see you next time.